Hello, I was asked how to create a fundraising button on PayPal, which you can share with your supporters so they can support you, give donations to you. First of all, why would you want to do that? And there are three reasons, three benefits on using a button over normally collecting funds on PayPal. First, you can share, you get a link with the button, and you can share that on social media through email, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, so many possibilities, and it spreads easily. You don't have to give out your email address. That's the second benefit. You don't have to give out your email address to the world. Your email address stays secret with you, and the world just sees the button and can give funds to you. The third benefit is your supporters don't have to have a PayPal account. They can just give with their credit card on the PayPal website on the button page. So now let's go to PayPal, and the button creator is in Tools. So this top menu might look different depending on where you are, but I'll place a direct link to the button creator in the description. So you go to Tools, All Tools, and here we are, PayPal buttons. And create a new button. Okay, so the button type we want is donations. That's the one for fundraising. And here you write in your organization name. And this is for testing. And you can assign a donation ID. If you have multiple projects running, use multiple buttons, you can give them different IDs, and it will be very easy to tell the donations for the various projects apart. In text or appearance, if you want to reach an international audience, I suggest you use something international here. United States should do for most cases. So let's put that on United States English. It will reload. Here we are. And you choose your currency. For an international audience, you can choose USD, for example. And here you can select whether your supporters should contribute a fixed amount or whether they can just choose their own amount, which is always better to do, so they decide what they want to give to you. Merchant account ID, leave that on the secure merchant account ID. So that's the reason why we're creating a button in the first place. We don't want the world to see your email address. The Save Your button, keep that switched on as well. Keep it selected, and it's just more secure. Customize advanced features. You can have your supporters leave a message for you. You're not a seller, so you can write something different in here. In most cases, you do not need the shipping address, but you can take your supporters to any website whatsoever if they either cancel or finish their donation. So let's just put a Facebook page here and create the button. Yeah, there are two options here. One is for website, the second one is for email. If you have a website, you can copy the HTML code from here and paste it into your website, and your supporters can easily give money to you through the button like this on your web page. If you don't have a web page, you can just copy this link here, this URL, and send it to your supporters through all the various channels, social media, email, many possibilities. And let's have a look what this looks like. Let's open a private window. Paste it here. Okay, so here we are. Let's say $100. He can make it a monthly donation. And here you can enter the credit card details without having an account. So this is exactly what we wanted. And of course, the supporter can also log in and use just any money they already have in PayPal to give to you. So if we cancel this, it goes to Facebook, just as we wanted. Okay, the one downside on using a button is PayPal fees will always incur, so you can't use the friends and family personal payments feature here with the button. So if you have the option to give out your email address to your friends and family so that they can give money to you directly through personal payments, that's always preferable over the button. So the button is just for spreading the link to a massive audience for all the benefits we've just talked about. So that was already it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.